Let's get straight into it. This one is a project. 1964 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. She has the 429 cubic inch 7-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has opportunity underneath, which I will see here in a sec. Paint is in good condition. Interior is absolutely beautiful. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Driver side floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs on the lower doors. Deck lid. Trunk nice and clean. She has power windows, power locks. Seats nice and clean. Headliner. Mileage reached a little over 84,000. Upper dash. Lower. Back seat nice and clean also. package tray. She has the 429 cubic inch 7-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She got power brakes, power steering. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. Got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. Your dream car or truck is one call away. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a good one.